Hi, my name is Noah.
Hi, my name is Nick.
And we are the creators of Cloud Caption. Cloud Caption allows you to automatically generate captions for any application. We think it'll be most useful for an application like Zoom, especially given that all of our school and work has moved online these days. In order to use Cloud Caption, you'll need a third-party program that can route your app's audio to a virtual audio device. For example, I'm using the program Loopback on my Mac to route the audio from Zoom into a virtual device. Once that's set up, just launch Cloud Caption and it'll automatically start generating closed captions. The window is translucent, so you can move it around anywhere on your screen. To get a quick demo of Cloud Caption, let's tune in to a lecture from Professor Nick.
The digital age of computing and widespread data transmission caused public focus to shift from a perception that only very intelligent people could operate computers to the futuristic focus that adults and children alike can all use computers. Focus of software developers and computer scientists transitioned to inventing easy-to-navigate programs and more appealing graphical user interfaces.
Cloud Caption streams your app's audio to Google Cloud's speech-to-text API, and the text is displayed in the draggable translucent box. Cloud Caption went through multiple iterations before we were able to get it working. We started with a browser-based app that embedded Zoom and overlaid the captions, but the Google Cloud framework isn't compatible with browser environments. We then switched to an Electron-based desktop app, but the experimental web APIs that we needed to use were not supported. Finally, we implemented it as a desktop program in Python that is capable of captioning any audio source, not just Zoom. We are proud that we were able to build such a powerful tool so quickly. We think that Cloud Caption will help students get the most out of their classes.
Thanks for checking out Cloud Caption.